Good evening, greetings, salutations. My name is Cole Smith, and this is going to be my presentation on how to buy a car. This is I will be your virtual guide. So I'm gonna move the Chromebook here a little closer to the camera so that you can see the presentation I worked on a little better. Um, I might have to adjust the camera a couple of times, like the focus and stuff, so that you can see the details. I worked hard on this, and I don't want any little details I put in to be omitted or not visible. So let me get on my knees here. So let me focus the camera again. How to Buy a Car by Cole Smith. Step 1. You'll want to talk to your insurance agent about what it will cost to insure the make and model you're considering buying. You don't want that figure to be a surprise, and you also want to find out soon, like how soon you will be able to, how soon you will need to notify your insurer you have the new vehicle. Step 2, talk to your bank or credit union and get pre-approved for the loan you'll need, and do this close to your planned purchase date. You may get something resembling a blank check that must be signed by you and the dealer. By getting pre-approved, you will know the total loan amount and interest rate you qualify for. Even if you plan to finance at the dealer, it can't hurt to come in with a pre-approval. You are far less likely to agree to a longer term or higher interest rate because you really want to drive that new car home today. Step 3. Hold on a minute. Hope you can see that well. Step 3, make sure you have your driver's license and proof of auto insurance with you. You shouldn't be driving without these documents anyway. You want them in your glove compartment at all times, for the most part. Well, always, not for the most part. You always want to have them with you. So, step 4, obvious as this seems, be sure you have a way of funding your down payment. If it's not cash, make sure the dealer accepts the form of payment you're planning to use. If you forget to do this, you would not be the first, but that would not be consolation either. So be prepared. Now, this is sort of personal. It's not required, but what dealers are looking for in a customer, even though it is against the law to refuse selling someone a product for service because you don't like them, it doesn't hurt to look nice. Be friendly and amiable so that you can become mutually acquainted with the dealer and can return to them multiple times as a loyal customer, which comes with its own benefits, like discounts and things like that. So, next, the dangers of being uninsured. It is required to have proof of insurance when buying a car, and it's easy to see why. Car accidents are not only potentially costly to your life, but more importantly, they are costly to your wallet. Depending on the damage to you or your vehicle, you could pay up to $100,000 by the end of it. So be insured. Now, here's just some cool cars that I like. I'd like to own at least one of these someday. Here are some sources. And the applause. So, thank you for coming to my presentation. I appreciate it. And when you go out to buy a car, keep these things in mind. Be safe on the road. Be insured, like I said. Don't be stupid. And yeah, really, that's about it. So thank you very much. I will see you some other time. Thank you for coming to my presentation.